Okay, we're back. Painted the rim. And I got the plate on. Don't want to show the whole plate, but maybe I can do that. But put the plate on. Lights under here. I think the previous owner had the plate down here, but I got the license plate light up there. I might as well make use of it. I was going to put another block of wood on this side to kind of cover up all that stuff, just like I did over there, you know, with the license plate, but that stuff matched pretty decent. I mean, it might look a lot lighter when it's out in the sun, because I mean, I'm in my garage, but it's not bad. But I had to take my angle grinder and grind those holes down because they were kind of pushed out a little bit. So, but if you want to know the paint I used, that's what it is. Focus. Come on, focus. Fine. But whatever, it's Duplicolor GM 61WA8265. But that'll take care of those. I think that looks pretty good, and I think that looks okay. I got a lot of junk in that freaking white, but you know, it's just a spare rim, so not too worried about it. It'll look nice sitting there, you know. But got everything done. Oh yeah, I might as well show you those. There's the chocks. Doesn't that look a lot better than having some wood or something like that? And they work perfect. Watch. That's it. I think you're probably looking at maybe like 20 bucks to do both sides. But how about that, you know? And they actually work really well because I'm able to torque the lugs down to 80 pounds. I hope it's 80 pounds, but I threw it at 80 pounds, but I was able to torque it, and it didn't jump over those chocks, so that's pretty cool. You know, maybe one of these days I'll end up redoing the stripes, you know, cleaning it up a bit. It still needs a bath, but it's the winter time, so hey. But just wanted to show you guys that. That's pretty neat. That's what I did. You know, all you got to do is just pull them out. They won't get in the way because all you got to do is just do that. Cool. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you the couple of things, what I did, what I was doing. Awesome. Peace.